I'm just going to go through the top 3 things you should be looking for when purchasing a hair straightener and how they are featured in our Dyson Corral straightener. So the first and most important is heat control. So with a lot of straighteners, you just switch it on and that's it. It's on the one heat setting and you can't alter, change that, higher or lower it. So this can be really damaging because every hair is different. So every hair needs a different kind of a temperature to style it. So with the Dyson Corral, once you turn it on, you have the option of 3 different heat settings. So it starts from the lowest of 165, 185 and 210. So it caters for a vast range of different hair types. And also you can be rest assured that when you select your temperature, it's never going to go above that because the Dyson Corral has an intelligent heat control system preventing the plates from overheating. So the temperature of the plates is constantly monitored to make sure it stays at exactly what temperature you have chosen. This is really important in protecting the health of the hair. Another really important thing is, will it get rid of frizz? So everybody is always trying to avoid frizz when styling their hair. So it's really important to make sure that the straightener that you have is not going to cause so much damage that it's going to result in even frizzier hair in the end. So with the Dyson Corral, it's really unique. It's got flexing copper magnesium alloy plates. So they help to gather the hair and create just the right amount of tension so that you should only need 1 to 2 passes over the section of hair when styling. So with this and the intelligent heat control, it does in turn help to reduce the damage on the hair, helping to prevent frizz and reduce flyaways as well. Another really important feature that you should be looking for is it versatile? Can I create different styles with it? So with the Dyson Corral, you can create so many different styles. You can create straights, curls, waves, and it's really easy to do so thanks to its cordless feature as well. So you have the option of using it cordless, which makes styling, doing curls and things a lot easier to manage. Also, the curved kind of roundness here on the outside of the plates helps with waving the hair and doesn't get too hot on top here, so you have control when styling it. The flexing plates also help to control the section of hair that you're working on. So again, more versatility, and you can use it on all different hair types because of the heat settings as well. So they're just some of the features that I would consider very important when purchasing a straightener, and they are all featured in our Dyson Corral. So if you have any more questions or queries, make sure you comment below this video.